Ever wanted to bring a drawing to life but didn't know where to start? Let's learn how to trace an image inside Adobe Animate, which is the perfect way to animate your artwork first. Select New File, choose the Action Script 30 template to create your animation project. Now, let's add our image. You can import an image from your files, or place a photo. Importing places the image in your library for repeated use if needed. While placing it will put the image right on the stage. If you have chosen import, find your image. If you have chosen place, select the image you want to trace. Adjust the image's size if needed. You'll be tracing around this. After all, with the image added, select the pencil tool. Make sure to adjust your stroke color and size according to your image. Now, the fun part. Start tracing around the image's outline. One stroke at a time. If you make a mistake, don't worry. You can always adjust your work. Continue tracing, using the pencil tool to complete the outline. You might have to zoom in to get the details just right. Finally, delete the original image. There you have it. Your traced image is ready to be animated. You can now start giving it movement frame by frame. Congratulations!